Introduction to AI-driven email marketing.
AI-driven email marketing automation uses artificial intelligence to optimize and personalize your email campaigns. For small businesses, this means saving time while reaching customers more effectively. With smarter algorithms, you can send the right message to the right person at the perfect time, increasing open rates and building stronger customer relationships.
Choosing the right tools.
The first step is selecting an AI-powered email marketing platform is the first step. Look for tools that offer automation, personalization, analytics, and integration with your existing systems. Popular options often include features like dynamic content, audience segmentation, and predictive sending.
Building smart email campaigns.
Start by segmenting your audience based on customer behavior or preferences. Use AI-driven insights to create personalized content for each segment. Automated workflows can then schedule emails, trigger follow-ups, and even recommend products, all tailored to individual customer needs. This targeted approach leads to higher engagement and improved conversion rates.
Measuring and optimizing performance.
Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Most AI tools provide detailed analytics and recommendations based on your campaign data. Use these insights to refine your messaging, adjust sending times, and experiment with different content. Continuous optimization helps you stay ahead and maximize the value of every campaign.
Staying compliant and respectful.
Always respect privacy laws and preferences. Ensure your email campaigns comply with regulations like the CAN-SPAM Act or GDPR. Provide easy options to unsubscribe and be transparent about data use. Responsible automation not only protects your business, but also builds trust and loyalty with your customers.